Hello and welcome to Dorm Dishes. Today we're making a really simple and fun dish, fajitas. For this recipe, you're going to need some kind of meat or protein. I chose chicken. Peppers and onions. I've gone with a store mix, but you can chop up your own. Seasonings. You can make your own if you'd like, but I've gone with a pre-made taco mix. Cheese to sprinkle on top for some extra fun. Oil to cook everything in, and finally tortillas to serve it up. To begin, we're going to pour some oil into the pan. Then, once it's hot enough, I'm going to put my chicken into the pan. Once the chicken's brown on both sides, we can remove it from the pan and put it aside for later. Now for the vegetables. Take them into the same pan and let them cook until they become soft. Once the veggies are done, we can pour our chicken back into the pan. Once the chicken and vegetables are well mixed, we can toss in our seasoning. Now that the seasoning is fully mixed, we can pour our cheese on, and we're almost done. With everything mixed, we can finally put some of our chicken and vegetables onto a tortilla and enjoy. Thank you for tuning in to Dorm Dishes. We'll see you next time.